Another day, another English lesson. Noun suffixes and e. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about two suffixes that mean opposite things, and e. Both suffixes attach to a verb to make a noun about a person, but they tell us two very different things about that person. The suffix means the person who does the action. For example, employ becomes employer, the person who employs someone. Train becomes trainer, the person who trains someone. Interview becomes interviewer, the person who interviews someone. The suffix ee means the person who receives the action. For example, employ becomes employee, the person who is employed. Train becomes trainee, the person who is being trained. Interview becomes interviewee, the person who is being interviewed. Summary. The suffix shows who does the action. Remember these words: employer, trainer, interviewer, payer, examiner. The suffix ee shows who receives the action. Remember these words: employee, trainee, interviewee, payee, examinee. Now you try. Complete the words with or e. The new employee starts her first day at the office tomorrow. Two, our fitness trainer designed a new workout for us this week. Three, the nervous interviewee waited outside the office for her turn. Four, the interviewer asked the candidate 3 difficult questions. Five, please write the payee name clearly on the check. Six, Toyota Corporation is Japan's biggest employer. Seven, every trainee received a certificate at the end of the course. Eight, the examiner checked each student's answers carefully. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.